Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English B grammar page number 7 and 8. Students, now let us start topic. Silent letters, British. There are some letters which are not spoken in some words. These unspoken letters are called silent letters. First silent letter is R. For example, dirty, flaw, butterfly, bark, park, garden. Next silent letter is G. For example, sign, foreign, resign, design, rain. Next silent letter is T. For example, listen, watch, hatch. Next page number 8, silent letter T. Examples: batch, hatch, fetch. Next silent letter is K. For example, knife, no, knee, knob, nick, note. Next silent letter is S. For example, island, debris, aisle. Next silent letter is H. For example, R, honest, ghost, what, where, while. Next silent letter is B. For example, thumb, doubt, plumber, comb, tom, climb. Next silent letter is U. For example, guess, guard, tongue. Next silent letter is L. For example, half, calm, talk. Next silent letter is W. For example, right, wrong, wrap, who, home, whole. Next silent letter is N. For example, column, autumn, dam. Next silent letter is P. For example, psalm, secretary, psychology. Next silent letters are I, G, H. For example, bright, weight, high, neighbor, flight, sight. Next silent letters are G, H. For example, tart, cart, बाट. स्टूडेंट्स आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.